Turn off the lights, lean back and listen to the silence. Imagine standing beneath a star-filled sky, far from city lights. The stars above, once beautiful, now feel like countless eyes watching you. The universe suddenly feels crowded, as if you're the only one unaware of the audience in the darkness. You are being watched. For decades, we've asked, are we alone? We search the skies, listen for signals, and wonder if other minds look back. But maybe the real question is, if others exist, why are they silent? The universe should be teeming with life, so where is everyone? The silence is unsettling, hinting at reasons for hiding that may be more frightening than we imagine. In the quiet, our place in the cosmos feels suddenly precarious. The universe is not a friendly place. It's vast, cold, and silent. Our sun is just one of billions, lost in a cosmic ocean. Despite all our searching, the universe answers only with silence. We are a fragile bubble of life surrounded by endless darkness. Are we truly alone, or is the silence a warning? The quiet feels less like peace, more like a held breath before something breaks. In this darkness, we are not the only actors, just unaware of what else lurks in the shadows. Amid the darkness, we've found thousands of exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system. Some orbit in the habitable zone, where liquid water and life could exist. These discoveries make life elsewhere seem almost inevitable. If life is common, intelligence might be too. Suddenly the universe feels crowded, and we are just one of many. Our uniqueness fades. We are no longer alone in our wonder. This realization is both thrilling and deeply unsettling. If life thrives elsewhere, we are not special. Science has steadily chipped away at our sense of cosmic importance. We are likely just one of countless civilizations, many far older and more advanced. To them, we might be insignificant, unnoticed, unremarkable. The silence may mean we're outmatched, not even worthy of contact. Our fate is not entirely our own. We are background noise in a universe ruled by others. For centuries, we believed we were the center of the universe. This belief gave us comfort and purpose. But discovery shattered that illusion. Earth is just another planet, our sun just another star. The idea that we're not special was once unthinkable. Each revelation stripped away our cosmic significance. Accepting our true place is difficult, but necessary. The universe was never about us, and that's the most frightening truth of all. As our tools for observing the universe grew, our perception of Earth shrank. In 1990, Voyager 1 looked back and captured Earth, a pale blue dot, a solitary pixel in a sunbeam. Carl Sagan called it a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. The pale blue dot reminds us we are not the center of anything, just a brief flash in the vast cosmic story. In a universe filled with countless stars and planets, it seems unlikely that we are alone. Science tells us we are just one of many, yet when we look out, we see only silence. So we face two possibilities. Either we are truly alone, or the universe is full of life, and they are all hiding. Which is more terrifying? In the 1950s, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a question that would echo through science. Where is everybody? With billions of stars and likely countless Earth-like planets, the galaxy should be teeming with life. Yet, we see nothing. No signals, no alien cities, just silence. The Fermi paradox remains. Why is the universe so quiet? The answer may be more unsettling than we imagine. The Fermi paradox asks, if the universe is full of life, then where is everyone? Why is the cosmos so eerily quiet? Scientists call this the Great Silence, a profound mystery. Maybe we're listening for the wrong things, or perhaps there's a great filter, some barrier that few civilizations survive. The silence could be a warning, echoing across the cosmic abyss, reminding us that survival is not guaranteed. What if we have been contacted but failed to understand? Imagine trying to explain quantum physics to ants. You could shout equations or draw diagrams, but the ants would never comprehend. What if we are the ants, surrounded by cosmic messages we cannot recognize? The evidence could be all around us, but we are simply deaf to it. The dark forest theory casts a chilling shadow over our search for alien life. Imagine the universe as a vast, pitch-black forest at midnight. Every civilization is a hunter, moving silently, hiding, listening for any sign of others. Any sound or light reveals your position and makes you vulnerable. The forest is silent, not because it's empty, but because survival means never being seen or heard. The dark forest theory is built on two simple, chilling axioms, or fundamental truths, about life in the universe. The first axiom is that the primary goal of any civilization is to ensure its own survival. This is a basic evolutionary principle. A species that does not prioritize its own continued existence will simply cease to exist. This drive is not about morality or good and evil. It is a fundamental biological and sociological imperative. Every decision a civilization makes on a cosmic scale will be guided by this one overarching goal: to survive, whatever the cost, for as long as possible. The second axiom is that civilizations continuously grow and expand, but the total matter in the universe remains constant. A civilization needs resources to fuel its growth: energy, raw materials, living space. As a technological society advances, its appetite for these resources will inevitably increase. But the universe, while vast, is not infinite in its resources. Planets, stars, and nebulae are finite. This creates a situation of inherent, unavoidable competition. Sooner or later, the needs of one growing civilization will clash with the needs of another. The universe is a zero-sum game on the grandest scale imaginable. When you combine these two axioms, the terrifying logic of the dark forest becomes inescapable. You have a universe full of civilizations that are all driven by the need to survive and expand in a cosmos with limited resources. This creates a state of universal suspicion. Any other civilization you encounter is, by definition, a potential threat. They are a rival for resources and a potential existential risk. You can never be sure that a seemingly friendly civilization will remain friendly once their own survival is on the line. Trust is a luxury that no one can afford. This leads to the core concept of chains of suspicion. You cannot know the true intentions of another civilization, but more importantly, you cannot know that they know your intentions are peaceful. Even if you are completely benevolent, you cannot be certain that they perceive you that way. They might see your growth as a future threat. This creates an unbreakable chain of mutual doubt. The only way to guarantee your safety from this potential future threat is to remove it. This isn't malice. It is cold, brutal, game theory logic applied to a cosmic scale. The dark forest theory warns that broadcasting our existence into space is suicidally reckless. Our signals scream, "We are here," to anyone listening. We are the noisy child, shouting in the dark forest. This paints a bullseye on our back, revealing our location and weakness. Like a baby animal crying in the jungle, we invite danger. The universe is silent, not empty. Everyone is hiding, listening, and afraid to speak. For more than half a century, we have been pointing our electronic ears towards the heavens, listening. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, began with the simple, hopeful idea that if other civilizations exist, they might be broadcasting their presence. We have scanned the cosmic static, the background noise of the universe, searching for a single coherent pattern. A needle in a haystack of unimaginable size. We listen for a signal that stands out from the natural chorus of pulsars, quasars, and swirling gas clouds. A signal that is structured, deliberate, and undeniably artificial. A whisper from a distant star system announcing that we are not alone. Most of what our radio telescopes pick up is exactly what we expect. The random, chaotic noise of a universe in motion. It's the afterglow of the Big Bang, the death screams of distant stars, the steady pulse of spinning neutron stars. It is a symphony of natural processes, vast and impersonal. But every so often, something cuts through the noise, something unusual, a signal that doesn't fit the known patterns of cosmic phenomena. These are the moments that make astronomers sit up and lean closer. They are brief, fleeting anomalies that appear in the data, sparking a flicker of excitement and a deep sense of mystery before vanishing back into the static. These strange signals are the ghosts in our machines. They are unexplained blips on a screen, powerful but ephemeral. Many are eventually traced back to earthly interference, a faulty microwave oven in the observatory's kitchen, or a passing satellite. But some resist all conventional explanation. They remain as frustrating puzzles, tantalizing hints of something more. These signals are short, powerful, and utterly mysterious. They come from a specific point in the sky, flare up with incredible energy, and then disappear without a trace. They leave us with more questions than answers, hanging in the silence. Are these signals just rare, undiscovered natural events? Are they the product of some exotic astrophysics we do not yet understand? This is the most likely and scientifically responsible explanation, but the possibility, however small, that they are something else, lingers in the back of our minds. What if they are not natural? What if these fleeting whispers from the void are not random, but intentional? What if, in our patient listening, we have occasionally stumbled upon the very thing we have been searching for? A genuine signal from an extraterrestrial intelligence. The thought is both exhilarating and deeply unnerving. In 1977, a powerful narrowband radio signal was detected at Ohio State's Big Ear Telescope. Astronomer Jerry Eamon circled it in red and wrote, "Wow," giving the signal its legendary name. The "wow" signal was strong, mysterious, and never repeated. Scientists have ruled out satellites, space debris, and known phenomena. To this day, it remains a cosmic cliffhanger, a single, unconfirmed whisper from the stars. The "wow" signal forces us to wonder, was it a greeting or something far more ominous? The dark forest theory warns that in a silent universe, any signal could be a death sentence. Maybe the signal was not a hello, but a warning: be quiet or be destroyed. In the void, silence may be our only hope. Or, what if we're not searching for aliens? What if we're the ones being watched? The zoo hypothesis suggests Earth is a cosmic wildlife preserve, carefully monitored by advanced civilizations. Maybe the silence in the cosmos is a quarantine, an artificial wall keeping us in and everything else out. Our lives, our triumphs, our failures, just behaviors to be observed while we remain unaware of the watchers. What if Earth isn't just being observed, but watched, scrutinized, by a silent, unseen network of advanced watchers? Their surveillance could be total, their technology woven into the fabric of reality itself. We may have lived under their gaze for thousands, even millions of years, unaware. The sky isn't empty. It's a giant, unblinking eye. The real question: what are they waiting for? Here is the truth no one wants to face. What if intelligent life out there isn't friendly? We hope for curiosity and empathy, but nature is full of predators and parasites. Why would the cosmos be any different? To an advanced civilization, Earth could be a resource, valuable, strategic, and ripe for the taking. The silence in the sky? It may be the quiet before the storm. As we gaze into the silent night sky, we wonder, if powerful civilizations exist out there, why do they remain hidden? Does their silence mean we are safe? Or does it only deepen the mystery and amplify the threat? Perhaps their silence just means we haven't been noticed yet. For now, we are protected only by the vastness of space. But maybe, somewhere, something is looking back.